Hello folks, my name's Tom Johnson. Today I'm going to show you, we're going to get a video of this. We took a bunch of other pictures, but we thought that my son-in-law thought I ought to do a video, so we're going to do a video. And anyway, it's a nice boat. I bought this boat brand new and have taken really good care of it. It's always been garage kept. It's been treated better than anything else around here, that's for sure. The motor, I've always had synthetic oil in it, from the prop to the whole boat. You're going to see here in a minute. We're doing videos so you can get a little better look at it, how really nice it is. But we'll start out right here on the back end. It's got a 90 horse Yam, of course, on it. It's never given me an issue. I mean, Yamahas, I've always had Yamahas, and once again, the motor has never given me a problem. It's just been like the day I bought it. It runs just super. Really, actually, nothing on the boat's given me an issue. It's been a great boat. Let's start right in the back here. Of course, it's got the tie downs, and it's got transducer plate that I got on. That works great for the plate for your officialcator, and all your trailers in great shape. When I bought this, I had an option whether to buy a roller trailer or a bunk, and I want to do shallow water, and so I did a roller trailer, and this trailer loads and unloads like super. There's no issue whatsoever. It's got the front roller cage too on it. Some of them come with a rollers in straight line for the nose. Well, I've got it with the extra set of rollers in the front, which makes a huge difference in loading and unloading. And of course, it comes with the bearing buddies, which is great. You can always keep that up without having to tear it all down and re-grease again. But all your side of your boat, everything on it is in great shape. It's been a really good boat. We just went to a bigger boat, had to haul more people, and so I went to something that was a little more capable of hauling a bunch of people. But I had a custom top done on this when I bought it, and that's worked out great. Keeps you out of the weather. You can stand up on it. I got side curtains that go with it. Also, I've got a bow cover that's on the other side. I'll show you in a minute. That'll snap in here on those rough days for your front end. It keeps the water from piling into your front of your boat, which is fantastic. I mean, all this I had him put together, all custom stuff. It's got a custom snap rail on it. Instead of putting cords down, scratching up your boat, whatever. It had the snap rail from new, and that's what we've stuck with, is a snap-on cover, which fits just gorgeous. We're going to take a picture of that in a minute. How the top, it doesn't flap around or any of that kind of thing, the cover that I got for it, because he did a really nice custom job on it. But we've loved this boat. Hate to see it go anywhere, but can't have too many boats around. I get in trouble. Of course, this is your horn here, and just all the way down the side of the boat, all nice condition. I got, I think there's 8 or 9 rod holder places. There's 6 up front, 4 in the back. I've got the tracks on it. These are the Traxstech Rails that are just great. I don't know if you've ever used these kind, but you can just take it, strip everything off. I like the boat where when I'm done fishing, I pull my riggers or I pull my fishing rod holders off it, but you can adjust them, put them anywhere you want. If you've never had them on a boat, you will love them, that's for sure. But they've worked out real well. I left them with the boat because I figure a lot of people know that these tracks really work well. We got the sideboards that I put on it from when I first got the trailer. All that keeps everything in line. I mean, you just get inside those things and go forward, and it's up. It loads, like I said, it loads super easy. Sometimes you have to keep her tied up to you right into the water, because it'll come right off the trailer. Really nice. Nothing sticks behind. You don't have to go deep into the water. My goodness, I can unload this boat just to the water, to the back end of the tail lights, and you can unload and load this boat. That's what's so nice about it. You don't have to. You can get into some of these small lakes, and that's what I wanted when I bought this boat. Anyway, let's keep going. It's got LED lights on it, so it all lights up really nice. But let's take you inside the boat here and show you just what the inside's going to be about. All right, let's start on the inside of the boat. I bought it. I put a snap-out carpet so you can actually clean it. And it's got the regular rubber floor underneath, whatever way you like it. But it's really nice to have that carpet, and you can pull it right out and do what you want with it, hose it off, all that kind of stuff. It comes with an icebox actually, and that's great for a lot of things. I mean, I keep all my planer boards and things like that are wet. I keep it in there sometimes, and sometimes we use it as a regular cooler. Then there's more storage here, lots of storage in the boat. I mean, this boat's got tons of storage in it for the size of the boat. It is one of the reasons I bought it, because of the amount of storage up in the front, and you can put everything away pretty much. You got a 5-rod box right here, storage box. I got the back light in it also. It comes, of course, with the front and back light. All this stuff works good. Comes with a charger down underneath here. We got a charger for my 2 batteries that are right in between here to charge them. Let's see what else. Of course, glove box. Oh, adjustable top that comes down on your door. This is your other rod box. It's got 8 places for rods. Then underneath that is your double battery 24-volt battery storage for the front. And the front is wired for 12 and 24 volt. Either one up on the right and left on the nose. Got tilt wheel on her. Got sort of a suspension ride here. Probably not your highest end, but it works good actually. I've got on my motor, I got the bracket here that I put on for the kicker motor. It's got a port right down in here for your kicker motor. You just hook up your gas. It's already ported, so you don't have to mess with that. It's got the Transom Saver that you see right here. I've always kept it all greased up good. All the steering's nice and easy on it. Just a lot of things that we did to this boat just to make it just right, actually. If it was just a little bigger, I wouldn't be selling it. That's for sure. But then we come up front and we got another live well. Then storage here, storage here, storage over here. So you can put a lot of stuff. I got a rod holder right there for your net on the right up here. And like I said, 24 and 12 volt. And then up here we've got where our front light is at, right there. Then interior lights up front. You know, I did a lot of little things like, you know, put the tie down up here, up in the front, all that kind of stuff, just so you got a place to pull from the nose. It seemed like it was always an issue, but everything's really done out the way it should be. And what else? I mean, that cover I was showing you over on the side there for this nose, like it snaps right in here, it comes right up to your front like this. So your nose is completely keeping that water off. If you're into rough water, that cover comes in super handy. But we'll put the top on it and get a little picture here in a minute so you can see that, because the custom top looks great on it.